Hello and welcome to episode 3 of See More Adventures. I am actually out here in the sunshine. It's boiling hot, it's about 20 degrees. Spring has finally sprung in the UK, even though snow is forecast next week. Yes, snow. So I just thought I would update you as to what we've been doing. Bruce went into the garage because about 2 weeks ago we had a letter through the post telling us about a recall issue with the glow plugs on our model of van, and that we needed to get the van booked in to get them replaced for free, which was great. Got them all booked in. We missed them so much that we had to keep ourselves entertained. So he was gone for about a week because there was a mix up with the booking and it was a bit of a nightmare. But we got Bruce back. He got his name tags on Saturday. They look really good. I got them from Etsy. Highly recommend them. Really, really cool. Went on perfectly. So yes, this episode is about fitting the windows. So I've done a lot of research into how to fit windows, or whether to get someone else to fit the windows. It was about £90 per window, and I felt like it's going to be a bit of cheating really, because I wanted to do this whole conversion myself with as little help as possible. So I decided I was going to do it myself, and I'm so glad that I did, but it was very difficult. Measured 100 times, cut once, because people kept saying to me, measure twice, cut once, and I was like, I'm going to measure 100 times. I made a template. I got Dad to check everything I was doing just to make sure, and so here is the fitting of the windows step by step. Thank you for watching. The first window has gone in on Bruce. It was good. It was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. I'd watched lots of videos on YouTube to try and make sure that I knew what I was doing. It fits. The window's in. It looks great. I'm really happy with it. But I just couldn't bring myself to do the second one. It was such hard work, the first one, that the second one I'm going to do next weekend. I'm really glad that I did it, and I really nearly chickened out and got someone else in to do it, but I'm really glad that I didn't. I have never used Jigsaw before, so that was interesting. But now I'm happy with it. I'm tired. I'm going to have a bath now because I feel exhausted. My back hurts.